Hey, what's up everyone? Okay, I want to show you the idea for the window and what I'm going to be doing in the back here. I'm going to make two windows, one here, one down on the lower portion of the door. And essentially what it's going to be is I'm going to build a frame on the back side, screw it in, weatherproof it, and then put a trim around like this on the window, and then I can weatherproof it from here as well with DAP, and I'll be good to go. So that's the plan. It's just going to take a while to fabricate this, just because like in the detail work it just takes a lot of time because you got to really make sure everything fits together well. But I've already got some pieces that have been spray painted, and I can just cut them to size and put them in here and start working on it. And I do have another piece of this. It's actually PVC sheeting that looks like aluminum. And if you saw my last video, I talked about how I use this instead of the metal sheeting. It's much easier to work with, and then I'm gonna put it over the front here and then cut out a hole and get to cranking with making the frame on the back side, and then we'll be good to go. So it's coming together, but these are the small details that just take forever. And I don't mind doing it, obviously. It's gonna be worth it when it's all said and done, but man, I'm anxious to get this done. So gonna work on this, and we'll show you what it looks like at the end of the day.